Whenever we plan a trip, we always have a choice to decide what kind of trip we want. This time we wanted to go to a peaceful place and wanted to be close to the nature. Even after a whole night of discussion, we couldn't really decide the destination, so we just packed our bags and headed towards Himachal Pradesh. At the halfway of the trip, we met a local who told us about a village nearby, and I don't know what happened between us. We took a detour to this place. Because of the heavy rainfall, our car got stuck here. We were tired and disappointed. We took a lift from a villager, and when we had the first look of this village, we know this place was worth everything. The village of magical souls, Shangarh.